Toymaker Lego said on Wednesday, August 28, it was on track to replace the fossil fuels used in making its signature bricks with more expensive renewable and recycled plastic by 2032, after signing deals with producers to secure long-term supply. Lego, which sells billions of plastic bricks annually, has tested over 600 different materials to develop a new material that would completely replace its oil-based brick by 2030, but with limited success. Now, Lego is aiming to gradually bring down the oil content in its bricks by paying up to 70% more for certified renewable resin, the raw plastic used to manufacture the bricks, in an attempt to encourage manufacturers to boost production. According to CEO Niels Christiansen, this will significantly increase the cost of producing a Lego brick.
In 2015, Lego made the first commitment around this, and since then tested more than 600 different materials. Some were successful, some were not. And that's what happens when you innovate. And today we are pursuing a road where we are using the mass balance approach, meaning that we are taking virgin fossil fuel out of the mix of our materials and increasingly putting sustainable materials in, so that could be recycled materials or bio-based materials.
The move comes amid a surplus of cheap virgin plastic, driven by major oil companies' investments in petrochemicals. Plastics are projected to drive new oil demand in the next few decades. Lego suppliers are using bio-waste such as cooking oil or food industry waste fat, as well as recycled materials to replace virgin fossil fuels in plastic production. The market for recycled or renewable plastic is still in its infancy, partly because most available feedstock is used for subsidized biodiesel, which is mixed into transportation fuels.
It's very difficult because we have such high standards for our bricks. You know, they have to be safe for kids to play with, they have to be durable, so the bricks that were made 60 years ago can still fit the bricks that we are making today, and many more quality requirements. So it has been quite difficult to find the right mix and to make this happen. This is something that is very deep in the values of the company, that we want to give a sustainable world to the children that are our customers.
According to Nest, the world's largest producer of renewable feedstocks, fossil-based plastic is about half or a third of the price of sustainable options. Around 90% of all plastic is made from virgin fossil fuels, according to lobby group Plastics Europe.